Today we will learn about geoprocessing tools, buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge and dissolve. Let's start. For this tutorial, we have added 4 shapefile, union, Khulna, Satkhira and level 4 data. Let's start our geoprocessing tools. First, we will use buffer tools, and for this tutorial I will use Khulna and linear distance will be kilometers. You can select as your preference. 10 kilometer. Okay. Now you get the 10 kilometer borders around the perimeter of the Khulna district. The process is ongoing. Here I get it. If we replace here, we can differentiate the border, and if we color it, now you can see the 10 kilometer buffer around the Khulna. You can measure to check the distance. You can see the distance is almost 10 kilometers, and for this you can length 10 kilometers, almost 10 kilometers. Every place around this distance 10 kilometers. Okay. Then we use clip tool. For clip tool, we use the level 4 data, Bangladesh and Khulna district. Now we clip. We first have to follow it. For this better visualization, we can color it as red. And now you can see that the Khulna district boundary, and within the district boundary this polygon are union boundary. Now we would like to clip the union boundary of Khulna district. For this we have to use clip tool. So input features will be the BGD ADM4 and clip feature will be Khulna. Now we get the output. And now you get it. This one is our clipped. From ADM4 administrative level 4 data, and these polygons are the Khulna district union. You can check it here, open attribute table. Now if you check this data, you can find ADM2. ADM1 and ADM2. Here is ADM2 means district Khulna, ADM1 and ADM1 is division Khulna. Whatever. Now we would like to use Intersect. For the intersect tool, we will use the Khulna buffer, and how much area if we use follow for this, and we will calculate how much area covered, how much buffer area covered by Satkhira, the common area between the Satkhira district and the buffer of Khulna, 10 kilometer buffer of Khulna. So to find out this common area, we have to use intersect tool. So you use input features, Khulna buffer and Satkhira. Now you get it. And here you find out the area, the common area between the Satkhira and Khulna 10 kilometer buffer. If you would like to see the area, you can find the shape area 0.11832. If you can convert it into kilometer or meter as you wish, and this unit is not the projected, so you didn't get the actual. After the projection you get the actual later. Now we would like to use union tool. Union tool used for this, you can here to union all of shape files. For this we will use Khulna and Satkhira to union these two shape files, Khulna and Satkhira. Now you get the common area, the area between Khulna and Satkhira, and here you see that Khulna and Satkhira both of district have union. Now we will see the merge. For merge, now we can see that the common area, these are the so close to the union tool. Merge tool is so close, but there has some difference. You can see that here union compute a geometric union of the input features, all features and their attributes will be written to the output feature class. Attribute will be written to the output feature class, but for merge multiple input data set into a single new output, this tool can combine the features and use the FN tool, but you didn't find the attribute. We will use the dissolve. For the dissolve tool, we will prefer the union, and now we will use dissolve tool, and here we input our union, and we will select dissolve field as ADM 3. ADM 3 means the Upazila boundary, and depends on the Upazila boundary the polygon union polygons will be differentiate. Let's start. Okay, now you get it, union and union dissolve, and dissolve based on the Upazila boundary, and if you label the boundary you can find the Upazila name here. And if you want to see the how much which area, and you can color it red. Now you can see that which union under the which Upazila, and you you want to see that how much union under the Tarakhada Upazila, now you can leveling the Upazila, union. Now you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are Madhupur, Barasat, Tarakhada, Sachida, and Saglada. And this is all about geoprocessing tool. Thank you everyone.